Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2010 Yamaha YZF-R6. This bike is in near mint condition with a little over 2,500 miles on it, and it comes to you all stock. So I'll show you the two little imperfections I found on it, but otherwise this bike is ready to roll. And with only 2,500 miles on it, you can see the tires are still in great shape. And like I said, this bike is stock, so it has endless possibilities as far as customizing and upgrading. So here's one little spot I've found on it. I don't know, it looks like somebody might have spilled some white paint somewhere. But so it looks like it was probably set down on this side, because this is very, very minor and very, very minimal. So there's a little scuffing there on the engine cover and a little bit here on the end of the clutch lever. But otherwise, that is it. So like I said, that's the reason why this bike is near mint. Show you those miles now. 2531 is what's on it. A little cold-blooded. This R6 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.